Hi students, welcome to online class. So in this video we are going to discuss about chapter 5, working with Windows operating system. So in this video we are going to discuss about how to move the files and folders, and then how to copy the files and folders. So these are the two things we are going to discuss in this video. So last video we have discussed about the renaming and then how to create the folders, how to rename the folders, what are the ways to rename, like that we discussed. So now we are going to see about how to move the files and folders. So moving files and folders. So what is mean by move? Move in the sense it is just like cut and paste. So it is just like cut. Move in the sense it is just like cut. So cut in the sense whenever we move a file or a folder, whenever we cut a file or a folder, that particular file or folder will be removed from the original place. Whenever we move the file or folder, whenever we cut the file or folder, it will be removed from the original place. It will be removed from the source. It will be removed from the source. So that is what we are going to see, how to move the file and folder. So you can move your files and folders to other areas using variety of methods. You can move your files and folders to other areas using variety of methods. So what are the different methods? You can move the files and folders. So first thing, using move and paste. Using move and paste. It is just like cut and paste. We are going to do the cut and paste using keyboard and mouse. We are going to move the file and folder from one place to another place using mouse and keyboard. Then third way is using drag and drop. So first way using keyboard and mouse method. Second way using drag and drop. So first we are going to see about the cut and paste method. That is move and paste. We are going to move to a particular place and then we are going to paste the file or folder. See here. To move a file or folder, first select the file or folder and then choose one of the following. So first of all we want to decide which folder we want to move. We want to decide which folder or which file we want to move from one place to another place. So that folder is selected. Then we can do any one option. Either we can use keyboard or else we can use the mouse. Either we can use keyboard or mouse. So whenever we go with mouse, what I want to do? After selecting the folder, click on edit cut. Click on edit cut. So we want to choose the menu edit and then we want to choose the option called cut. Or else we can go with right click cut from the pop-up menu. Right click the file or folder and then we can choose the option called cut. So that the file or folder will be cut from the source. Will be removed from the source, will be cut from the source. So we can use the mouse. Using the mouse we want to choose the edit menu and then we want to choose the option called cut. Or else we can right click and then we can choose the option called cut from the pop-up menu. Right click, cut from the pop-up menu. Or else if I use the keyboard, then I can use Ctrl plus X. Whenever I use the keyboard, I can use Ctrl plus X. So whenever I use these combinations, any one option, either edit cut or Ctrl plus X. Ctrl plus X is the keyboard shortcut, right? So or right click cut from the pop-up menu. Using the three options, I can choose either one, so that the file or folder will be cut from the source. After that, to move to the file or folder in a new location, navigate to the new location. So whatever the place I want to paste, whatever the destination place, So I want to move to the destination place. Whatever the place I want to paste the file, whatever the place I want to move the file or folder, I want to go to the destination place. I want to go to the destination place. Then I want to choose edit paste. Edit paste, or else Control plus V, or else right click paste from the pop-up menu. Edit paste from the menu bar using the mouse, edit paste, or else Control plus X keyboard shortcut, or else right click the file or folder and then choose the option called paste. So from these three I can choose any one option so that the file will be pasted in the destination. Can you understand, students? Again I repeat in a summary manner. So first method, using cut and paste. How can I do this? So select the folder or file which you want to cut. Select the file or folder which you want to cut. Straight away after selecting the folder, choose the menu edit cut. Choose the menu edit cut. Or we can use the keyboard shortcut Control plus X. Or we can use the another option called right click the folder and then choose the option. Right click the file or folder, choose the option called cut. Then go to the destination place where you want to paste. Go to the destination place where you want to paste. And then there itself you can use the edit menu, edit paste, or Control plus V. Or I can use right click and then I can choose the option called paste. Now the file will be pasted in the new location. File or folder will be pasted in the new location. This is the first method. Now we are going to see the second method. So second method is drag and drop method. So what is drag and drop method? In the disk drive window, we have two pans. One is called left pan and another one is called right pan. In the disk drive window, whenever I open my computer, a local disk C or D, I can see two pans. One is called left pan and another one is called right pan. In the left pan, the files and folders are displayed in like a tree structure. The left pan will display the files and folders in a tree structure. In the right pan, the files inside the specific folders in the left pan are displayed with various options. So right side pan will display the files as well as whatever the folder we have selected in the left pan. So that particular folders files will be displayed. That particular folders files will be displayed. Sometimes that folder may contain another folder also. Subfolders. Right? In the right pan of the disk drive window, select the file or folder you want to move. So in the right hand side window, we want to choose the file or folder to be moved. After selecting the file or folder, you want to click and drag the selected file or folder from the right pan to the left pan. So I want to drag the file or folder from the right side pan to the left side pan. Already the left pan contains the folders list. So I want to drag the particular file or folder to the left pan folder list. So whenever I release the mouse button, the targeted folder is highlighted and then the file or folder will be moved to the particular folder. So wherever I release the left mouse button, the file or folder will be moved to the particular destination, that is particular folder. Can you understand, students? I think I can show you in a practical manner, then you can understand it easily. So first of all, we want to open my computer. In that I am going to open local disk D. So now what I am going to do is I am going to copy the folder. For example, I am going to copy the folder name list. I am going to not copy, I am going to cut the folder name list. For example, selecting the folder, after selecting the folder, edit cut. So when I do edit cut, then automatically the folder is somehow hidden. Then I can move to the destination folder, for example new folder. Then I can click and then I can choose edit paste. So when I click edit paste, so it is showing some more. Wait 1 minute, again I repeat. So select the folder, edit cut, then afterwards I double click on that folder, then I open the folder, edit paste. So now what happens, the folder is pasted in the destination place, right? Can you understand, students? So again I go for undo operation. So again I choose the same folder. So instead of edit cut, I can use Control plus X, and then double click the new folder, Control plus V. So I have used the keyboard shortcut. Now the folder is pasted in the new folder. So again I go for undo. So again I can go for another option. So the name list folder comes here. So right click the folder. I can choose the option called cut, and then right click the new folder, and then I can choose the option called paste. So now when I double click the folder, you can see the folder is moved to the destination place. Can you understand, students? So for undo, I can use Control plus Z. Undo operation, whatever the operation you have done, that operation can be changed. So undo, right? Can you understand, students? This is how we can cut and paste using mouse keyboard. Now I am going to use the another second method called drag and drop. So how to do the drag and drop? So now this is Windows 7. So whenever I use my computer, if I open local disk D or any other disk, left side you can see only some particular folders list. For example, local disk D. Like this you can see, this is called left pan. This is called a left pan. And then whenever I click a particular folder, for example, if I click name list, right? If I click, for example, I can click on another folder. For example, ebook. I can click another folder called ebook. Now it shows the folders as well as the files. Now this is called the right side. The mouse pointer shows you the right side pan. Now this is called the left pan. Now what you want to do is, so I am going to drag and drop. So select the folder, then hold the leftmost button and then move the leftmost button. Now can you see the folder is dragged, and then wherever you want you can move. Can you see here, move to. Can you see that folder? So whatever the folder you want you can move. For example, I am going to move to the new folder. So when I release the leftmost button, now if I click the leftmost button, new folder, you can see this 11th model question papers. Can you see that or not? So this is how we want to drag and drop. So again I will explain you. Again I repeat. So select the folder in the right side pan using the leftmost button. Hold the leftmost button, that is long press. Leftmost button, move the mouse to the left pan. Wherever you want, you can move to that particular place. For example, if I want to move to 2020-21, when I release the leftmost button, so when I click again 2020-21, you can see here 11th model question papers. That folder is moved. Can you understand, students? Right. Now, so we have discussed about the two methods, how to move the files and folders. So first method is keyboard, mouse, and then second method is using drag and drop. So now we are going to discuss about copying files and folders. So the same methods whatever we have used for move, keyboard and mouse, we have one option. Using copy and paste can be done through using keyboard and mouse. So another way, using drag and drop. Right. So instead of using edit cut, instead of using control plus X, I am going to use edit copy. Edit cut, instead of edit cut, I am going to use edit copy for copying the file or folder. Instead of using control plus X, X stands for cut. So what is the shortcut, keyboard shortcut for copy? Control plus C. So all the other things are same. Instead of cut, I am going to use the option called copy. Then all the other steps are same. See here, to copy a file or folder, first select the file or folder. To copy the file or folder, first select the file or folder. Click edit copy or control plus C. Click edit copy or control plus C. Or you can press right click the mouse button and then you can choose copy. Then as usual, to paste the file or folder, what do you want to do? You can choose edit paste or control plus V, or right click paste from the pop-up menu. Can you understand, students? Instead of edit cut, I am going to use edit copy. Instead of control plus X, I am going to use control plus C. Right click cut, instead of that I am going to use right click copy. So the paste options are as it is. Second method is drag and drop. Drag and drop, we know, from the left side pan, from the right side pan, you are going to drag the particular folder and then you are going to drop the folder in the destination place. In the destination place. Right. I think I can show you in a practical manner. Let's see this in a practical manner, how to copy the file or folder. So first of all, open the my computer. Open the my computer. So in that I am going to open local disk D. Now I am going to copy a folder. For example, I am going to copy 2020-21. How to copy the folder? So select the folder, edit, copy. Select the folder, edit, copy. And then I am going to open new folder. So then edit, paste. See, what is the difference between copy and cut? See, copy in the sense, it will make another copy. Cut in the sense, it will remove the original folder. Now see here, whenever I double click the new folder, you can see 2020-21 folder. At the same time, if you see in local disk D, you can see the same folder outside the new folder. So the folders is available. The folder 2020-21 is available in two places. One is outside the new folder and another one is inside the new folder. So copy means it makes another copy. Copy means it makes another copy. Cut in the sense, it removes the original folder. That is, it removes the folder from the original place. It removes the folder from the original place. Right? Can you understand, students? So again I go for the copy. So select the folder, control plus C. Instead of using menu bar, I am going to use keyboard shortcut, control plus C. Then double click the new folder, control plus V. So now this folder is copied into the new folder. So I am using control Z for doing the undo operation. Right? Then right click the folder, choose the option called copy, and then double click the new folder, right click and then choose the option called paste. Can you see the option called paste? So when I select that, the folder was copied to the destination. Can you understand, students? Right. So now how to drag and drop. So whenever we drag and drop, so we should use the leftmost button as well as we should press the control button. Why I should press the control button means, whenever I use the leftmost button for drag and drop, it will move the particular folder to the destination. But we should not move. We should make another copy. We should not move the folder from the source to the destination. We should make another copy. So select the folder, press control button, and then now long press should be done with the leftmost button. Now I am going to see here, now it shows copy. So before that we have seen the move, now it shows copy, right? So when I move to the new folder, so when the mouse pointer moves to that particular destination folder, if I release the leftmost button as well as the control button, that is, I am releasing the leftmost button as well as the control button. Now when I click the new folder, I can see the folder is copied to the new folder. Can you understand, students? Again I show you. So again I repeat the process. See here. See, when I select the folder, if I drag here, now you see it shows move. Why? Because I didn't press the control button. Just I am pressing only the left mouse button. Now if I move to the particular folder, if I release the left mouse button, now in this local disk D you cannot see 2020-21. Why? Because that folder is moved to the new folder. But I should not do this. Why? Because I want to copy. I want to make another copy. So for that, now I should press the leftmost button as well as the control button. Now if I drag the folder, it shows you copy to. Instead of move to, it shows copy to. So when I release the leftmost button and the control button, so automatically the folder is pasted in the new folder. Can you understand, students? So I think you might have understood this in a practical manner. So let's end the class. So thank you, students.